everybody, welcome back to Mac Shack. We are going to do a Dutch pour on this table thing right here. This is a tabletop that is going to go on top of a wrought iron table. So I've base coated it with like silver and gray combination, and we're going to just go for it. I'm a little nervous because this is a big piece, but we're going to go for it, okay? I'm going to pour some, I'm going to coat my piece with this. Oh, it's kind of thin, but that's okay. I'm going to coat my piece with this like silver gray combination. See how far I can get with that. Let me see with my little knife. I'm a little nervous, y'all, so y'all just have to bear with me. See how I don't want it super thin, but I don't want it super thick either. And it's overcast outside. It's not really the best weather to be doing this in, but we're going to go for it. I'm just kind of getting it liquidy on there, spreading it around, letting it go over the edge. Try not to make too big of a mess. I don't think I'm going to need that heat gun. But y'all know paint pouring and Dutch pouring is very messy. So I'm a little nervous. Ooh, what I'm doing is the base is going to be a wrought iron, like black, and I want this to be able to set in somebody's like foyer and match almost everything. So, you know, I mean, that's a really tall order. And I don't know if, you know, I'll achieve that today, but we will see. We will see. Okay, I got it pretty coated. I see some bubbles. And I'm sorry I'm chewing gum, y'all, but I'm a little nervous, so this is my therapy. So y'all just love me anyway. All right. I'm going to pop the bubbles. The reason I coated it with the paint, basically the color that I'm doing it in, is just in case I don't get a lot of run over. I'm totally hard to see that flame. Ooh, but I can see it popping in bubbles. Pop the bubbles. Like tiny bubbles. Not like that. Not like that at all, y'all. All right. Woo-wee. All right, let's see what we're going to do. Let's see what we're going to do, y'all. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm very excited. Okay, here we go. What I'm going to basically do is do 2 puddle pours, like one here, and kind of try to blow them in the middle. And that is my plan. But you know, best laid plans of mice and men often go astray. I see some more bubbles here. I'm okay with that. That looks like straight paint. I'm not sure that's even mixed. That was like a very light gray silver. This is glitter iridescent. This is just a little bit of gold just to pop it some. Make it pop. Okay. Here I come with my white. Ooh, that white's very liquidy, which is okay. Knocking stuff down. I hope you don't see my booty. Okay. I'm going to come with some black. And I'm probably... And that dripped a dry piece in there. I'm going to get that out. Can't have that. Ooh, y'all, I'm super nervous about this. I like a lot of color. This doesn't look like it's going to be a lot of color, but look how much black I just did. I am so crazy. I'm just a crazy girl. Living on the edge. Living on the edge. Some more iridescent because you can't have too much iridescent. I don't know. It looks like I have more. I should have tested the... Looks like I got more paint over here. I might have to fix that. course, I go with the blacks. Ugh. I'm just going to go for it because it's kind of trying to go over the edge. Okay, here we go. We're going to flood. We'll see what we get, y'all. I'm really trying not to make a mess. Here I go. Here I go. All right. View. Look at this cell action. Holy scamoly gaboli. I don't know if it picked it up. I haven't even looked at the other video, but we'll do some editing and put this in here too. But y'all, can you see the Beautimus? That's going to be like glitter. That's the glitter paint. I can't. So all right, y'all. I'm signing off for real this time. Love one another.